I like to consider myself a little bit of an edgiest. Contrast, lighting, blown out stuff here and there, crunched blacks. It's kind of hard to exactly put your finger on it. Certain things just get me amped up, and it may not be photography at all. It could just be I'm listening to a piece of music, or I just happen to be driving by something and I just go, wow, that's great. You know, it sparks some kind of idea and I want to do something with it. I want to photograph it. I like to do slices of life that may not be part of the slice of life that I live in. That's part of why I like the sport thing, is because it gets me into different arenas. Like the NBA, it's so unlike anything that I know and live. And the people that play are different than me, and I find it just kind of fascinating. I find the culture that surrounds a sport, I find interesting. And it doesn't necessarily have to be sports. It could be a place, like, for example, I've had this hankering to go to Greenland. The thing that gets me going about that is it's so remote and so different than anything I've ever seen that I want to go there. So it could be a place, it could be a person, it could be a type of person. I think human studies are interesting. I love collaboration. In fact, I think it's the world of collaboration now. I am so jazzed when we can get together in advance and talk about what we're trying to achieve. They're hiring me because they like my vision. They're hiring me because they know that in conjunction with their art-directed vision, we're going to work together and come up with something that we're both happy about. I think an art director would rest assured when they come to a photo shoot, it's not going to be a dictatorial kind of thing, that people do work together and can work together, and we can all walk away with something we're pretty proud of.